Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let's take a look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu presents 11th Biennial National Grassroots Innovation and Outstanding Traditional Knowledge Awards. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar inaugurates Scientific Convention on World Homeopathy Day in New Delhi. Home Minister Amit Shah launched Vibrant Villages program in Arunachal Pradesh. And Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan attended the Shat Sukman Siem Festival. The news in detail. President of India Draupadi Murmu presented the 11th Biennial National Grassroots Innovation and Outstanding Traditional Knowledge Awards of NIF at Rashtrapati Bhavan Cultural Centre, RBCC today. She also inaugurated the Festival of Innovation and Entrepreneurship 2023 at a sports ground near RBCC. Speaking at the award function, the President said that citizens at the grassroots have the potential to come up with science and technology-based innovative solutions and serve the country to the best of their abilities. National Innovation Foundation NIF plays a significant role in encouraging and supporting such innovators. She was also happy to note that NIF has already recognized 1,093 grassroots innovators and school students at the national level in its various award functions.
Today, we are celebrating not just the achievements of innovators, but the spirit of creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. We can see small innovations happening every other day around us. Mothers daily use innovation in making meals for their children. Teachers use creativity in finding new teaching methods, and some fields such as advertising and marketing are very much dependent on creative skills. So we just have to understand and encourage the creativity and innovation which is already present everywhere.
Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar today appealed to develop a culture in the country to eradicate stress and tension. The Vice President said this after inaugurating the Scientific Convention on the occasion of World Homeopathy Day in New Delhi. The convention has been organized by the Central Council for Research and Homeopathy under the Ministry of Ayush. Vice President Dhankar said that healthcare is not just about medical treatment, as it includes an individual's physical, mental and emotional well-being, and a community's social and economic environment. He mentioned that the motto of India's G20 presidency is One Earth, One Family, One Future, and without health, there can be no future. He also mentioned that today World Health Organization has acknowledged homeopathy as the second largest and fastest growing system of medicine in the world and has marked its presence in more than 80 countries.
मेरे सामने जो यंगस्टर्स हैं, you are the real soldiers, warriors of 2047. भारत 247 में क्या होगा? और वो तभी होगा जब हम स्वस्थ रहें, भारत पर गर्व करें, भारतीयता पर गर्व करें। देश हो या विदेश, भारत की प्रतिष्ठा को बढ़ाएंगे और इस पर कोई आंच नहीं आने देंगे।
Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah is on a two-day visit to Arunachal Pradesh from today. On the first day of his visit, he has launched the Vibrant Villages program in Kibithu, a border village in the Anjao district of Arunachal Pradesh. Union Home Minister also inaugurated 9 micro-hydel projects of the Arunachal Pradesh government constructed under the Golden Jubilee Border Elimination program in Kibithu. These electricity projects will empower people living in border villages. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the government has approved the Vibrant Villages program with central components of 4,800 crore rupees, including 2,500 crore rupees exclusively for road connectivity for the financial years 2022-23 to 2025-26.
कवर किया गया है। पहले चरण में 662 गांवों को चयनित किया गया है। इस कार्यक्रम में अगले 4 सालों के लिए 4,800 करोड़ रुपए का प्रावधान किया गया है।
सबसे पहले किबुथु में जो 62 की लड़ाई में हमारे 21 अक्टूबर 1962 को तत्कालीन कुमाऊं रेजिमेंट के 6 अधिकारियों ने यहां पर जो बहादुरी से लड़ाई लड़ी और जिस वीरता के कारण भारत की भूमि की रक्षा हो पाई, इस सभी को मनपूर्वक स्मरण कर श्रद्धांजलि देना चाहता हूं।
3-day Shat Sukman Siem concluded today. It is an annual festival of the Sengkhasi Khmer, commenced on Saturday at the Limpung Waking Jayao, known as the Dance of the Peaceful Hearts. Shat Sukman Siem is a significant festival among the Khasis, celebrated in the month of April every year. Meghalaya Governor Phagwee Chauhan attended the festival. Male and female dancers in traditional regalia swayed to the tune of the Duhalia. People from different walks of life thronged the Waking ground to witness the annual festival. A nationwide mock drill is being held today across all government and private hospitals to review the preparedness of COVID management. This exercise will also continue tomorrow. States and union territories are holding mock drill exercises to ensure readiness of hospital infrastructure across both public and private health facilities in view of the rise in COVID cases. During the mock drill, resources available in the hospitals including drugs, ICU beds and medical oxygen for the containment and management of COVID-19 are being assessed. The Supreme Court today dismissed 2 pleas challenging the Delhi High Court verdict upholding the centre's Agnipath scheme. A bench headed by the Chief Justice Deputy Chandrachud said candidates who earlier got selected through recruitment processes like rallies, physical and medical tests for defence forces before the introduction of the Agnipath scheme do not have a vested right to appointment. The bench, also consisting Justices P.S. Narasimha and J.B. Pardiwala, said the Apex Court would not like to interfere with the High Court verdict as it has dealt with all the aspects. The Delhi High Court had upheld the validity of the Agnipath scheme on the 27th of February. Another weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded as 25.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 15.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 39% while in the evening was 30%. Forecast light rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu presents 11th Biennial National Grassroots Innovation and Outstanding Traditional Knowledge Awards. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar inaugurates Scientific Convention on World Homeopathy Day in New Delhi. Home Minister Amit Shah launched Vibrant Villages program in Arunachal Pradesh. And Meghalaya Governor Phagwee Chauhan attended the Shat Sukman Siem Festival. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.